If you're looking to automate your YouTube content creation, HeyGen is an awesome tool to help you get there faster. HeyGen uses AI generated avatars and voices to create engaging videos without needing to film yourself, which can save tons of time and effort. To start, sign up for HeyGen and choose an avatar that fits your channel swipes. You can customize the avatar's look and voice to match your brand's personality. Next, write or import your script. HeyGen lets you type it in directly or upload next text files. Once your script is ready, HeyGen will generate the video with your chosen avatar speaking your content naturally. You can tweak the timing, add gestures, and even insert visuals or backgrounds to make the video more dynamic. The best way to use HeyGen for YouTube automation is to batch create several videos in one session. This way, you can always have content ready to upload consistently, which is key for growing your channel. Plus, pair HeyGen videos with simple editing tools to add intros, music, or captions for a professional touch. And don't forget to optimize your videos titles and descriptions for YouTube SEO to get more views. If you want me to dive deeper into script writing tips or advanced HeyGen features, hit like and follow and leave your questions in the comments.